Alright guys, welcome back to Mubitech Guru. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to credit your Geonix account. How to credit your Geonix account. I made this video first, I think last year, and now again I'm making this video again, second year, 2026. So I've already funded the platform I want to use. As you can see, I'm making use of what? I'm making use of Roku app. I have this platform Roku app I want to use. Understand? So I want to make use of the Roku, and I've already funded transfer money from my OPay to Roku. How can you transfer money from your OPay to Roku? I'll drop the link below in the description so that you register. So look at it. Let me go back. You can see the money is already on the home. How to fund your Geonix. Don't forget, this video is all about how to fund your Geonix Proxy. So you can see I've already funded it. How did I fund this? When you register this platform, you verify this platform, all you need to do next is to click on deposits. You fund any amount. Maybe you want to fund like 2,000. Understand? You fund like 2,000 to give you $1.3. And you continue. When you continue, they'll generate your account number. You click on bank transfer, which they are going to generate you. Which they are going to generate your account number. This account number is where you are going to post your your mobile banking app. So you copy this, you go to your mobile banking app. Understand? To your mobile banking app. So when you go to your mobile banking app, you click on your mobile banking app. You click here. You paste the account number. You understand? You can see it. So it's verified. Then you continue. Then you put the 2,000 here. And you put the 2,000 here. Then you click on this next one here. You understand? You click on this next. You put this point. This one here. This one. You copy this one here. You put it. Understand? You put this one. Then you confirm. You confirm the 2,000. You understand? You confirm 2,000. There's so insufficient. So I have insufficient funds. It will go. So when you send the money, you understand, successful, then all you need to do is just come here and click on I've already paid. When you click I've already paid, they are going to credit your account. So that is how to go about the funding process. You understand? I'm not going to do funding because I don't have balance in it. So now I have 12,712. So we'll be right back. So we have already funded our Roku, like I said. So the next process is for we to go to wallet. Then we're going to buy what? Litecoin. So you buy Litecoin. And you buy depend on the amount that you want to fund. Understand? So I buy this amount of Litecoin. Boom, I bought it. So the next process for me to go back to my Geonix. Don't forget, this is a full scratch course on how to buy how to fund your Geonix. So the next process is for me to go to my resident order. So you see I'm on my resident orders. You see we have IPv order, IPv6 order, ISP order, mobile orders, resident order. The last one, resident order. So all I need to do is come here and add. And I'm going to be adding this. I'm going to be adding this 3 GB purchase. So I'll come here, click on other purpose, then PayPal. Then I'm making payment based on what Litecoin, LTC, BTC, this other one. Select this option. Then I click on pay. So the next thing, select currency and select LTC. So You see what I did? I select currency, LTC, then I proceed payment. So now you see this. I'm going to my listen. I'll add this. I'll say 0.1363 2606. I'll copy my address and I'll go here. I'll log in. I'll go to my LTC. I'll send. Click on send. Wallet address. Paste your wallet address that you just copied. Then come to this network. You see you have charges 0.005. Then you add. Then you proceed. Then you click on these two arrow, left and right arrow, convert it to LTC, 0.136. 82,606, which should have equivalent to 10,800. So you come here, 0604. So we have already sent. So you come back here. All right. So the payment is paid. You have successfully paid invoice. Okay. So you have successfully confirm the payment. So the next to do is to go back, confirm if your payment has been added to your account. So your order successfully paid. Dear customer, first of all, we express our gratitude to you for your trust. The official company, Geonix.com, you have made the right choice. Your order will be completed on time. The address and access will be sent to the email specify the application. You can always find yourself in a security center. So the next, click on this three dots login. Go to your resident order again to confirm. Wow, it has been added. That is, we have 2 bandwidth left, 2 gigabytes, but now it has been upgraded to 5 GB. Your plan 5 GB. So this 5 GB you're going to minus from 2. We have 3. So the 3 gig has been added. So that is how to fund your Geonix. That's exactly process and use. So if you found this video very helpful, please do it to subscribe our channel and leave a comment below. Also like the video.